Charmaine, this is your great big dreamboat, Andy. How is you vision of loveliness? Oh, she's going out with another guy. He's gonna take her for a ride in his speedboat. She say I'm too dull. I ain't got no glamour. She says I was footy-duddy. Well... How can I get me some of that glamour?
And?
Well, what's the matter? Don't you trust me?
Huh?
Speedboat. I think I don't buy me one of them little sport model cars, and that'll make Charmaine think I was a hot rod guy.
I got to find a way to make some money. $50? Why, that's good commission.
Yeah.
No, Andy. All you got to do is have a good brain, a quick eye, and a strong constitution, and $150. Have you got any of them qualifications?
Well, I got the $150.
Well, anybody with that much money is bound to have a good brain, a quick eye, and a strong constitution. Well, then, Andy, you can give me $150.
Wait a minute, Kingfish.
Oh, what I gonna do?
How I know you ain't just taking my money and gonna pull some kind of a razzle-dazzle on me?
Well, I don't know, Amos.
If anything happens, you're going to get into trouble with the authorities.
Yeah, I thought. Well, we can't let nothing happen to our old pal Andy.
That's right.
Well, I'm sorry, Andy, but the law is the law.
Oh, yeah? Kingfish, I done paid you $150. I'm gonna get my money back from you, PDQ.
Now, Andy, we had brother officers in the Flying Eagles, all for one and one for all. And everything gonna be all right.
Well, Kingfish?
Well, Andy, everything gonna be slick as a whistle. Oh, Andy, don't worry about that. Oh, come on, get a hold of here. It was all a mistake. It was all a mistake. It was all a mistake.